Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.27 and $6.17 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $2.54 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 58 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learn one thing because of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked eagerly to foster a unique digital money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into an extensive value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. A Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick advance in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo basic examination. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is incredibly powerless and, as other digital currencies, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a critical increment that recommended a huge degree of early financial backer premium. As per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary standards showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As indicated by Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 huge digital forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is many times lower, clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has great trust pull-out evaluations, but there are additionally plainly a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized examination. The cost of Nexo has a brilliant standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive venture than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is right now worth 72 cents USD. Nexo has moved 1.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,445,799. Nexo is right now positioned 76 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $408,365,873 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Nexo value expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.09. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.02 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 87 cents. Nexo value forecast 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.81. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.45 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.60. Nexo value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.54 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.32 and a low of $2.18 in 2025. Nexo value forecast 2026. In the event that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.27, with a base cost of $2.90 and a typical cost of $3.05. Nexo value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.77 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.63 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $3.99. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.50. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $4.72. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.35. Nexo value expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.08 and a yearly cost close above $5.44 in 2029. Nexo value forecast 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $5.81 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.17, averaging out at $5.95. Nexo value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money